We have a reminder, though, right now about our extreme heat. It's important to double check your back seat and make sure you're not leaving your kids behind.
Yeah, Arizona ranks 4th in the entire nation when it comes to children dying in hot cars. That's according to the group Kids and Car Safety. Another tip in this heat, be careful about turning on your car before leaving your house to cool it off in the AC. It's common for kids to make their way into a running car unsupervised, and that too can be very dangerous.
Just 1 year ago, a 2-year-old girl in Marana, of course, tragically died after she was left in a hot car for 3 hours. Her father now facing murder charges. And should there be a second chance for a plea deal for that man charged with killing his daughter in that hot car?
Yeah, Pat, that's the new question for Christopher Sholtes, facing first-degree murder charges. KGUN 9's Craig Smith reports from downtown Tucson.
The father charged with first-degree murder for leaving his 2-year-old daughter in a hot car until she died has already rejected a plea deal in the case. But now it looks like he and his lawyer are taking another try to get a reduced charge.
Anything? Just go ahead and let them work.
Marana police body cameras caught Christopher Sholtes as he waited to hear if his daughter would survive. She didn't. Investigators say she spent almost 3.5 hours strapped in a car seat in temperatures well over 100 degrees, while her father sat in the living room drinking, playing video games, and watching pornography. Text messages from Sholtes' wife show her reminding him she'd told him many times to stop leaving their children in the car. Sholtes rejected a chance to plead guilty to second-degree murder. That would have avoided a first-degree murder trial where a guilty verdict could have led to a life sentence. Second-degree murder calls for 10 to 25 years. But now Sholtes' attorney says he'd like to try for a new plea deal. He says he's developing new evidence that would argue for lighter punishment.
We've been working diligently to try to get mitigation evidence put together, specifically as it pertains to these kinds of cases, specifically deaths for children left in hot cars.
Prosecutors say they'll look at what Sholtes' defense puts together, but they do not see how it would change what happened. And they are not committing to considering a new plea deal. In downtown Tucson at Pima Superior Court, Craig Smith, KGUN 9.